What's up, ladies and gentlemen? This is David Benjamin from Wellstar Reviews. Today I'm reviewing the FurMe vacuum. The FurMe is a vacuum for dogs, and it basically acts as a vacuum to remove their fur so that they're not shedding all over the house. One thing you should know is that dog fur actually harbors mold, allergies, parasites even. And it's actually very unhealthy to live in a home full of dog fur. So what I like about the FurMe unit is, as you can see here, it scoops up quite a bit of hair, and there are multiple levels on the FurMe to remove fur from your dog's back. So once you plug it in, you just simply power it on, and there are 1, 2, and 3 speeds. And the vacuum, first of all, the dogs love it. So this here is Asher, and you just go on their fur, and as you can see, Asher's tail is wagging because Asher is happy. And you just go along their fur, and it grabs that fur and just pulls it in the vacuum. I always do level 3 because, well, why would you do any other level? I mean, you're trying to get as much fur as possible. The dogs love it. And they just gravitate towards it, honestly. So it works very well. And if you want to keep your home free of that dog fur, this is definitely something to look into. What I like too is about this unit is those metal things. That's sort of like the brush, and then it sort of, you know, massages their back, so to speak. And then obviously the vacuum has the suction to pull the fur into the unit here, which is just a cartridge that you empty. So Asher loves it. You can see his tail is still wagging. He loves it every single time. So what's nice is that, you know, in terms of grooming, you know, this is really grooming your dogs. I think this unit is like 170, 150 bucks, something like that. And you could spend that much at a groomer every single time, let alone the time and energy it takes to take them there. So one thing I've noticed too is if you go against the grain, oh my gosh, they absolutely love that. So right now I'm going against the grain, and Asher, okay, he's so excited he's knocking over the vacuum. Come on, buddy, come on, over here. So if you really want to make your dog happy, go against the grain like this, and Asher's face just gets so excited every time I do this. It's kind of like going against the grain. Just so happy. Such a happy dog. Such a happy boy. So yeah, dogs love it. They gravitate towards it. And, you know, they're just simply, they love it because it's like a massage. It's like you're petting them and massaging them at the same time. And then in the process, obviously, you're getting rid of that fur so that it's not shedding in the house. It's not harboring mold, bacteria, allergens, and especially parasites. You know, one thing I'll say is that I have been a dog sitter all over the country now for about a year, and it's a common problem that I have is the dogs having just shedding all over in the house. And Asher wants more. He wants more, not she. He wants more. I don't want to misgender Asher. And yeah, I've noticed that, you know, having dog fur all over the homes is a common occurrence, is a common issue. But look at no more tail wagging. But watch this. Watch. Not even touching. Tail wags. Watch. Turn off. Tail wagging stops. Turn it back on. Oh, it starts. Yep. See, that's how you know the dog loves it. But yeah, you know, in terms of health, in terms of human health, shedding dog fur actually can cause you as a human to get parasites. So I think this is a really good investment, not only for the health and happiness of your dogs. I mean, look at Asher. Look at how happy Asher is. But also for your health as well as a human being, to not bring these things into your home. So I love this unit. You can check out FurMe at the link below. I wish every house that I dog sat for had one of these units, had one of these devices, because, well, it just makes the dogs happier. And I can tell when there's more fur in the home, I'm sneezing more, I'm coughing more. I get hair in my food, which is disgusting when you really think about it. So yeah, I would recommend this device. I'll put the link in the description. It's absolutely awesome. It's really easy to empty this unit, and it makes all the dogs happy. The dogs love it. And now Asher's tail stopped wagging again because I stopped. But check out FurMe in the link below. Definitely worthwhile as an investment and just for your health, and saves money on grooming, makes your dogs happy, and makes you happy as well.